Hi everyone, welcome to Urki Electrical channel. I was called by this customer today. He wants to upgrade the electrical for this cafeteria here. As you can see, he do have plugs for these devices here, these coffee machines. So as you can see, there are a lot of powerful machines. This is a microwave here, this is a toaster, and this is where he keep the hot food for the sandwiches. Right, so he has so many electrical devices that need a lot of power. So, and all that, he do have only one breaker 20 amp line coming into this cafeteria here. So all these appliances are connected to one breaker of 20 amp, right? 20 amp breaker for all these devices. That's not gonna work, right? It trips every time he turn on two of them, the breaker do trip. So we are gonna fix that. Okay, we here to fix that, to give him enough outlet, enough power to do his job. All right, now as you can see, this is the breaker panel for this store. Okay, so as you can see, there is no free space. It's a lot of wires, a lot of things going on in this panel here. There is no space. There's even a lot of violations in this thing. Look, I'm gonna have to fix all that. Look at that breaker. It has 3 wires coming in, 3 different gauge of wires coming into the breaker. There is a 90 amp breaker, and we can see there is even a 10 gauge wire coming into a 90 amp breaker. That is not good. Look at here, right? You can see that 2 wires coming into that breaker, a red and a black. Okay, it's a 20 amp breaker. Okay, so look at that. Okay, all this is full. So now to do that, I'm gonna have to create a sub panel. All right, for that, I'm gonna have to remove some breakers here and replace them by twin breakers to have a space of 2 or a double pole breaker to feed the sub panel. Okay, so for that, okay, we did buy this Eaton 24 piece, okay, sub panel. So we are gonna install this one, and from there we're gonna have to feed his cafeteria and have some free space for the use. Okay, we'll come back. All right guys, here we go. So we did put a 100 amp breaker here. You see that 100 amp breaker to feed this sub panel here. Okay, so we realize now we have enough breakers. Okay, we feed this sub panel with 100 amps, so we can have breakers here to feed the outlets in the cafeteria. Okay, so as you can see, the panel was so full, and to have this space here, okay, we had to put these, all right, these twin breakers in the panel, move wires to there, right? Okay, so this panel need a lot of fixes, as I showed you earlier, but we will come back to that in another video. For now, this is our sub panel here. We did install today. Okay, we did you see the wires. Okay, that's the wires. Okay, that's okay. As you can see, that's the outlet. We brought this here, outlet for this microwave here. Okay, all right, and then we put 2 duplex outlets here. This will be for the computer that will sit here, and there was a coffee machine here. Okay, they will share this outlet here, and then we did put one more 20 amp breaker here, okay? I mean 20 amp outlet here. Alright, this line went straight to the panel, okay? Now you remember this was all these outlets were in the same breaker before, okay? Those outlets are down here, okay, down here, and okay, or everything it was on the same breaker. But now he has only for this here, he has 4 breakers coming into this one here, okay? Thank you for watching.